It's me, Allegra. Dolls, I figured today I would do a Megan Fox makeup tutorial. I have been loving her makeup lately. Have you guys seen a difference in her makeup? I feel like lately her makeup has just been looking so phenomenal, and I think it's because she had started getting her makeup done by Patrick Ta. Such a gorgeous look on her. It kind of reminds me of a modern day version of a Marilyn Monroe makeup look. So that's what I figured I would do today. So let's just dive right into this Megan Fox makeup tutorial today. And if it's your first time here, I hope you'll subscribe. And also, if you like today's video, give me a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. So without further ado, let's just dive right into this Megan Fox makeup tutorial. So first thing I'm going to use is this Too Faced Hangover Primer. So this definitely does give you a dewy glow to your skin. It's infused with coconut water. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my skin. And this definitely does feel hydrating. It's very soothing. I'm going to let this soak in and I'll get started on my eyes. So for the eyes, I'm just going to start with a concealer and I'm just going to use this as a prep for the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take a white eyeshadow and I'm going to put that on my lid. So now I'm going to take the Colourpop Lust for Dust palette and I'm going to use this beautiful gray, light gray shade called Take the Lead. I'm just going to take my fluffy brush and just put this in the crease area. And then with the same shade, I'm just going to take a small shader brush and apply this to my lower lashes. And I'm just going to apply this to the outer portion of my eye, stopping right in the middle of my eye. So we're only applying this shadow to the outer portion. And then I'm just going to very gently buff it out with a larger shader brush. So then I'm going to apply some white kohl liner, and this is from the Urban Decay Prince collection. And I'm only going to apply this in my lower waterline. And again, I'm going to only apply this to the outer portion of my eye, and I'm going to stop at the center of my eye. And now I'm going to apply some lashes and some liquid liner. So now I'm just going to apply some Revlon liquid liner. And then just a little bit of mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So loving that. The eyes are pretty simple, and so now we can move into the face. So I'm going to use the Hourglass Illusion. This is a skin tint, so I'm going to put this under my foundation. So now I'm going to apply some Rare Beauty foundation. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit of contour. And now I'll just apply a little bit of concealer. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked. And a little bit of cream blush. This is the Milk Makeup. So I'm just going to set this now with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And I'm just going to put a very tiny amount of bronzer. This is the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. And then I'm going to take a baby pink blush. I have this one here from Bobbi Brown. So I'm just going to give myself a spritz of my Allegra Chetty Beauty Mist. This is a Clean Beauty Makeup Setting Spray, and it's going to make everything look much more dewy, effortless, and the makeup will last all night long. And while this is soaking in, we can go ahead and put on the lip. I think the lip is really a huge part of this. It's a beautiful red lip, kind of a cherry lip, although I have also noticed that she was wearing a lot of hot pink lips too, so like a fuchsia pink. But for today's look, we'll go with the cherry red lips. So I have this beautiful color here from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is called American Girl. So finally, beauties, I'm just going to pop on a tiny bit of highlighter. So beauties, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed checking out my Megan Fox makeup tutorial today. Let me know what you beauties think of it. And also don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and also give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. It helps me out so much. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.